a great choice today with the 2019 Nissan Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, heated steering wheel, power windows, CD player, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.